क्या आप जानते हो लेस चिप्स इतने क्रिस्पी कैसे बनते हैं?
गोल्डन कलर और क्रंच कैसे आता है इन लेस फैक्ट्री?
फैक्ट्री के अंदर का प्रोसेस आपने कभी देखा है?
आलू की खेती और सप्लाई चेन, किसानों से बाजार तक का सफर। इसी तरह ये ताजा आलू हम तक पहुंचते हैं।
बस बस अब कट को आरो।
The precision of the slicing is paramount. This consistent, ultra-thin cut guarantees that every chip cooks.
As the potatoes are rapidly sliced and submerged in oil, the meticulous science of achieving the perfect, crispy texture begins.
The free fatty acid levels are well within the safety limits, currently at 0.95%.
Excellent. Ensure the temperature remains stable.
The balance is exquisite. We have achieved perfect taste control here.
Indeed, this batch meets all the quality parameters.
लेज़र ट्री में हम हाइजीन और फूड सेफ्टी का पूरा ख्याल रखते हैं। हमारे ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम्स और स्ट्रिक्ट क्वालिटी चेक्स इंश्योर
To ensure maximum freshness, every bag is flushed with nitrogen gas before high-speed sealing.
Back it up just a little. All right, set it down right there.
Securing the load, we're all set for the market.
Here are the latest lays, right from the factory.
Perfect timing. These always sell fast.
Finally, the perfectly seasoned chips are accurately weighed and sealed into airtight packets, ready to be delivered to you.
Did you know Lay's was originally founded way back in 1932 by Herman Lay?